Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Tesla markets all up. In this video, we're going to tell you why Tesla is going up, why the markets are going up, where we see the markets going today, some price targets, and some good news with the jobs. This could be finally the turning point for the Fed. FOMC report, we'll be covering it live later in September. Could it be our first pause? I said last time it should have been a pause. I believe it will come this time. The odds are stacking up. Let's discuss it now. Let's see why Tesla is going up, what the reason is, and the information behind the jobs report this morning. Let's get straight into it. This is a great day to be in the market. Let's look at this report here. Just out. Just a few moments ago, the number of job openings declined by 338,000 from a month earlier to 8.827 million in July 2023, reaching the lowest level since March 2021 and coming in below the market consensus of 9.465. It's a dramatic drop. Now, this is what the Fed have been trying to do to get the markets to cool down, to get the economy to slow down, and this is good news. This might be just enough for the markets to get a green light. We've already had a bull market this year, no question about that, but this could really accelerate things. It was also the third consecutive month of decline in job openings, suggesting the labor market is gradually slowing after months of unprecedented monetary policy tightening by the Fed. The level of job openings decreased in professional and business services, down 198,000, healthcare and social assistance down 130,000, state and local government excluding education down 67,000. State and local government education down 62,000 and federal government down 27,000. By contrast, though, there were increases in information plus 101,000 and in transportation, warehousing and utilities up 75,000. In terms of regional distribution, job openings declined in the South, down 356,000 and the Midwest down 69,000. But rose in the West 57,000 and the Northeast 29,000. Okay, so we can look at the markets right now and we can see what is going here. And why I'm talking about Tesla is our next piece of information I want to bring to you, which is really exciting, and why Tesla is doing so well on top of all this news. So first of all, let's look at Tesla. You can see it moving up today, 4.63. What a great day to be in Tesla. Let's look at the overall markets though. I am in green, the market is in blue. As you can see, the reason why I'm up more because everything is moving up and my main account has predominantly Virgin Galactic. So Virgin Galactic goes up when everything goes up and it exaggerates and amplifies the market. You can see that. If I look at my Roth IRA, that's predominantly Tesla. Same thing. When Tesla is up, it amplifies what the markets are doing. Why you have to have certain amount of high risk stocks in your portfolio, because you get the growth. We talked about it before. If you're of a certain age and you need growth, you need some higher risk. If you're much younger, you can just buy the S&P and you'd be fine with that. All right, let's look at my overall balance today. It's just touching 54,000. So we could go over 55 or even 56,000 now today because the markets are digesting this news. We've got a bit of FOMO right now and things are starting to pump up. but what is the really good news with Tesla? Now, if you are a Tesla investor like I am, it's one of the biggest parts of my portfolio. I have 22.5 shares of Tesla. It's one of the biggest parts of my portfolio. It's not because I'm just investing in EVs and all the rest of it. I'm also investing in solar, power, robo-taxis, and now supercomputers. We got Elon Musk trying to take on AI and do his own thing, but it's also with Dojo accelerating what is happening with the self-drive. I am looking to buy a Tesla soon where I can not even drive it. It drives itself, takes people around as a robo-taxi. Let's look at that news and let's go over to that right now. Here we go. Tesla's new supercomputer accelerates its ambition to be an AI play alongside Nvidia. Nvidia we've seen going up today. We were just looking at it. Nvidia is doing well. Let me just share with you on the screen Nvidia very, very quickly. You can see Nvidia is doing well today. I think Nvidia is massively overbought though. I mean, that's why I'm not buying Tesla. I'm already in. I'm watching it grow. I don't want to be buying Nvidia because Nvidia will be just like Tesla. It gets to the top and then it'll be trimmed off. Look what happened to Tesla when it got overbought at $1,200. We don't want to be buying it. We want to be already in and enjoying this growth. That's what we want. Isn't that why we invested in the first place? Not to chase the market. CEO Elon Musk wants to steal some of its shine, showing investors his car company is an AI investment too. Yes, Tesla is launching a 300 million AI computing cluster Tuesday, according to Oppenheimer analyst Rick Schaefer. The supercomputer will enjoy 10,000 Nvidia H100 GPUs and is more powerful than the world's highest performing supercomputer. Can you believe this? Tesla didn't respond to a request for comment about the computer. The news illustrates something about the way the AI ecosystem is evolving. Nvidia has the hardware and software that is essentially responsible for AI computing. Tesla is using Nvidia's products to develop what Elon Musk hopes is the first truly killer AI app, self-driving cars. Absolutely right. This is very, very exciting. Look at this now. Tesla is significantly enhancing its computer capabilities to train its full self-driving technology faster, added Schaefer in his report. Tesla plans to spend over $2 billion on AI training in 2023 and another $2 billion in 2024. Musk has repeatedly said repeatedly that self-driving technology will represent a huge increase in value for his company. His vision is to turn all the Teslas on the roads into robo-taxis with the flip of a switch when the software that runs the driver assistant feature is good enough. Then customers will pay up front or annual fees to access the tech, and Tesla itself can run a fleet of robo-taxis. Can you imagine? You wake up in the morning and your car just goes off. I can't wait for it. I think it's going to be phenomenal. It's going to be explosive. The new AI cluster is teaching the software, helping to accelerate development. The use of artificial intelligence is why Musk has also said Tesla is an AI leader, adding that developing self-driving cars is far harder than developing a ChatGPT-like AI. This is really great news. Let's go back now to the stock and look at Nvidia moving. Let's look at Tesla moving. This is a great day to be in the stock. You don't want to be buying it, do you? You already want to be in. Let's look at Tesla. If we look at my chart right now, it's virtually, well, it is, quite honestly, parabolic today. As the day progresses, the chart is literally just going straight up. This is very, very good news. Let me get some more information on Tesla for you, and let's have a quick look at it for you. You're going to like this. So let me go back to it right now and bring it on the screen. My overall portfolio is 54,000. It's broken that 54. Could reach 56,000 today with this growth that we are experiencing right now. Look at that. It's virtually parabolic. We're going to get a lot of people today buy in FOMO now, and I'm already in. I'm happy with my position. 22.5 shares of Tesla right now for my scale of portfolio is absolutely great. This is good. Getting self-driving technology to the point where drivers can stop paying attention to the road, or where mass market cars can operate without a driver, has been difficult. Progress is being made. Musk took a self-driving Tesla ride over the weekend and posted it on his social platform X. which was formerly known as Twitter. Investors know about Musk's AI ambitions. Tesla's stock isn't really reacting to the news regarding the new computer. Shares are down 0.2% in early trading. This was before the news broke about, of course, the jobs numbers. That's now fueling that there's positivity and optimism in the market, and it's got FOMO kicking in now. Regarding the new computer, shares are down by 0.2 in the early trading. The S&P is just slightly up at 0.91. Of course, that was before the news broke with regard to the jobs report. So what do you think? Tesla is exploding right now, looking very, very nice indeed. I'm going to put out a few polls today on my Twitter, my X account. I'd like you to vote in them, and I'd like your opinion. So what we're going to do now is above my head, I will give you the links to some polls, whether you see Tesla now, where you see Tesla go. We'll run a poll on X, and you can vote in that. But this is really, really, really great. What do you think? Leave me your thoughts and comments below. Is Tesla about to explode? And when I say explode, I don't mean today is up 4 or 5%. I mean up 10, 15, or even 20%, going back to its highs. What do you think? Is this the day when Tesla starts to really take off and explode? Leave me your thoughts. More videos I think you'll find interesting over here and down here. Go and check them out and join us back for another live show. We're live up to 10 hours a day, every day here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.